There is something common about these groups of objects. Can you spot it? That's right. Each group is made up of 10 objects. This is a tray of 10 apples. This is a box of 10 pencils. This is a necklace of 10 beads. And this is a stack of 10 coins. Any such group of 10 is called 110. Let's use this idea of 110 to help Sela count apples that she has picked at an orchard. The picked apples are put in 4 baskets. Let's find out how many apples are there in each basket. We put the apples from basket A in a tray that can hold 10 apples. No apples are left over. So, these are 10 or 110 apples. Let's count how many apples are there in basket B. There is 1 full tray of 10 and 1 leftover apple. 1 tray of 10 is called 110. But what do we call 1 leftover apple? We call it as 1 ones.
How many are 110 and 1 ones? To find this, let's place the numbers in a table of tens and ones. The tens and ones are indicated by the capital letters T and O. Placing 1 in tens place and 1 in ones place, we get 11. So, 110 and 1 ones make 11.
Let's put the apples from basket C in the tray of 10. We have 1 tray of 10 and 2 leftover apples.
These are 110 and 2 ones. Placing 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place, we get 12. So, 110 and 2 ones make 12.
Here are the apples from the last basket. How many tens and ones do they make? That's right. There are 1 10 and 3 ones. What does 1 10 and 3 ones make?
Placing 1 in tens place and 3 in ones place, we get 13. So 110 and 3 ones make 13.
Let's play a game. If 1 cube represents 1 ones, then 2 cubes represent 2 ones. 5 cubes represent 5 ones, and 9 cubes represent 9 ones. What will 10 cubes represent? That's right. 10 cubes will represent 10 ones. These 10 cubes can be joined to form a single rod. This rod is called a tens rod, and it represents 110.